Bianca Liriano, class of 2021. And I've always wondered, why do we get hiccups?
That is a really great question. So we really don't know why we hiccup, but we do know how it occurs. So the science behind a hiccup has to do with our diaphragm, has to do with our brain, and our nervous system. Basically what the hiccup is a sudden contraction of the diaphragm muscle, and the sound of the hiccup is actually related to the vocal cords slamming shut to prevent more air intake. Scientists really don't know why we hiccup, and we really don't have any evidence-based answers about how to get rid of them. A lot of things that we hear about, like holding your breath or scaring somebody, all those solutions are really just based on anecdotal evidence. Scientists don't know much about hiccups, but one thing we do know is that they're not contagious.